Hi, guys. Yesterday in writing, we learned what a personal narrative is. Remember, a personal narrative is when you are the main character and it's about one single event in your life that you want to tell to other people. We use words like I, me, my, and mine when we're writing a personal narrative. Yesterday, we chose a topic or an event from our life that we want to start writing about. I chose my trip to Disney World. I'm going to plan out my events by using the think strategy. Remember our song? Think, think, think. Touch, touch, touch. Sketch and write. Sketch and write. Well, we're going to do the first part today. We're going to think, think, think. So I told you I want to write about my trip to Disney World. What happened first? Well, first I had to drive there. So that's going to be my first page in my story. I drove to Disney World. The second thing that happened when I was at Disney World is I rode the teacups. Wow, that's so exciting. The last thing that happened when I was at Disney World is I saw Mickey Mouse. Did you see what I just did? That's right. I planned out my personal narrative using my think strategy and my fingers. Watch one more time. First, I drove to Disney World. Then, I went on the teacups when I was there. Last, I saw Mickey Mouse before I left. Now, I'm ready to start writing with my paper. Let's get started. Okay, now that I've planned my writing, I'm ready to start writing on my writing paper. I'm going to write the date at the top so I remember when I did this writing. Today's date is 9-15-20. I'm also going to write my name at the top so I don't lose my paper. Okay, so I planned it across my fingers, and my first page is going to be all about how I drove to Disney World. So in my picture, I'm going to plan it out. I need a car, and yeah, I need a car because that's what I drive in. Okay, so let me draw my car that I am driving to Disney World in. There's my car. Now I'm ready to write. I drove to Disney. Ooh, let me try that again. I drove to Disney. Now I'm ready to write. I know how to spell the word I because it's one of my sight words. I'm going to put a finger space so I can make sure there's spaces in between. My words. T. Ooh. Oh no, I made a mistake. That's okay. I'm just going to cross out that letter and I'm going to move on. I need the word drove. Whew, silly me. Drove. I drove to finger space Disney. D is me. Period. That's what I did first. Remember, it's okay if my spelling's not perfect. I'm just trying to figure out the sounds as I stretch them out. Okay, now my second thing that I did is I went on the teacups. All right, I'm going to get another page of writing. Now I'm going to sketch out my picture. I need to put the teacups on here, and I need to put myself in it because I wrote the teacups. Let's see, draw a picture of myself, riding the teacups. Uh-oh, ran out of room for my head, but that's okay. I'm having fun, I'm smiling, we're riding, I'm holding on. So there I am on my teacups. Oh my goodness, I forgot my date and my name. Now I'm ready to plan the words. I went on the ride. I went on the ride. Period. Okay, that's the next thing I did. What's the last thing that I did? I went and saw Mickey. Okay, I am going to because I want to remember when I started this writing. Okay, I saw Mickey, so I need to draw a picture of Mickey Mouse. There's my big old Mickey Mouse. And I need a picture of me with Mickey Mouse. I saw Mickey. Ooh, 3 words I need to write. I saw Mickey. Now I've planned my story and I've sketched and I've written it across my pages. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and plan out your story and write on your pages.